In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create music on Suno using custom mode or quick generation. To get started, head over to suno.com and log into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard, where you can begin creating right away. If this is your first time using the platform, take a quick moment to look around so you feel comfortable with the layout before moving on. Next, go to the Create section. This is where all the music generation happens. Once you're there, you'll see the option to turn on custom mode. If you want more control over the result, go ahead and enable it. Custom mode is useful when you want to be more specific about how your song should sound or what content you want to include. If you prefer a faster and simpler workflow, you can leave custom mode turned off and use the quick generation option instead. That's a great choice if you just want to test ideas quickly or create something with minimal setup. After that, enter your lyrics into the provided text area. Be sure to review them before generating, since the quality and structure of your lyrics can influence the final output. Clear, well-formatted lyrics usually lead to better results, especially if you want the song to sound polished and intentional. If you're using custom mode, this is where being precise can really help, because the platform will use your input more directly. Then select the style for your song. Choose the genre, mood, or musical direction that best matches what you want to create. This step helps shape the overall feel of the track, so it's worth taking a second to think about the vibe you're aiming for. For example, your lyrics might work very differently depending on whether you choose something cinematic, upbeat, relaxed, or dramatic. Once everything looks good, click Create. Suno will begin generating your music based on the lyrics and style you selected. Give it a moment to process and then listen to the result carefully. If the first version isn't exactly what you had in mind, you can always adjust